Hey guys, Matt here. Sorry about the state of today's video. It was our first session, we had a few hiccups, which was to be expected. But we should actually be able to capture the footage straight from the source next time. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Love you.
Alright everybody, welcome to the first video of Playing with Matches. My name is Wolf, followed by my companion Match, who is helping me record this. And today we are going to play White Noise 2. Now, I've played the first one, so this one should be pretty similar to what the other one was like. It's been a while since I played the first one, so forgive me if I freak out like big time. Alright everybody, let's get started, shall we? Ready for some spooky thrills.
And just as a heads up, if the camera falls, it's probably because I'm peeing myself. I've never seen the first one, but I'm kind of a pussy. Anyway, moving on.
Alright, so select the location. Let's go random. Okay.
Holy crap, he looked concerning.
We'll go Rinko today, shall we? Clothing and alright. So I just so had to pick the Asian person, which I have nothing against Asians. And basic flashlight. Alright. So let the story begin.
Loading screen. This might not work. Every time it gets dark and then bright again, it has to readjust.
That's the whole point. What is this?
No, I mean it has to readjust on this little screen.
Nearest clue. Alright, so we have to find 8 clues.
So it's like Slender?
Possibly. Kind of. Oh! What is this? What? No, stop it!
There you go.
Recharge battery.
You can throw light sticks.
Why would I want to throw a light stick?
Well, why don't they just say glow stick? That's one less leather.
Right? Alright, so we have to find 8 clues. If you switch off your flashlight, the creature will have a harder time finding you. Creature? What creature? I'm already not liking this.
I am already very confused.
Like I said, it's been a while since I've played the first one, so you can run with... Aw, great. So, we have to try and keep quiet.
While running, you make more noise. Yeah, probably because I'm always going, ah!
Shh. Alright, so we have to try and... to inform your partners of items you find with what you're doing. Okay then, well, considering I am probably by myself and don't have anybody around with me, recharge battery. Okay. Whatever. Let's see where it is. Apparently we're close to a clue, but... Okay then, I didn't even know where he was at.
Can try, surprise.
I was, okay, whatever. That was not something I was expecting. Anyway. That was kind of shocking. I was not expecting him to just randomly pop out of nowhere. So. And is that a recharge battery?
Man, if all you had to do was collect recharge batteries, you would be on top of this shit.
Right? I totally would be.
And look, it's another one.
Oh, yes. Another recharge battery. What the heck? What are we recharging? Like, really? OCD. I just unlocked an achievement. OCD. That's awesome. Ah. What? He disabled my flashlight?
Run.
I can't! Oh my god!
Even though it said don't run because they can hear you.
Yeah, it causes more
And now
noise.
it says to run.
Well, it disabled my flashlights!
Can't hide in a barrel in this?
No, I don't think we can hide. I think we just have to, like, try and avoid the creature, but it just, like, randomly just, like, appears, and for some reason the controls are a little shitty.
There's one really easy way to avoid the creature.
And
Going home.
right? Totally just going
I don't know why this person is here.
I don't even know where we're at. There's a tape nearby.
Pick it up to find a clue.
Pick up tape. Yay, we found a tape. We found one of the clues. Woo, now we have 7 more to find.
Yes!
What we do when we find what happens after we find all 7 clues, I do not
Your
know.
cat is going to be sending some weird messages on my Facebook.
Okay then. Well, I'm not really too thrilled with the whole black white section at the moment. So let's see here. And I'm bleeding and I don't know what to do. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Idols tell the creature your position when you are near them. Shit! Damn it! And I don't know if my flashlight is still disabled or not. Oh, battery, battery, battery! Battery, battery, give me the... Okay, so use Q to throw a light stick. Okay, I don't know exactly what good that is going to do me, but if it slows down the creature, by all means. We found another one! We found another one! How do we switch off our flashlight? F? Okay. So I have my flashlight apparently turned off, so it makes it a little harder for the creature to find us. But I will move, but apparently we move slower. What is that? Ooh, a transmitter. What is a transmitter for? Okay then. Ah!
Holy mother of God.
Damn it! Ah!
Doesn't seem to have any teeth. You were gummed to death.
Well, apparently, even with my flashlight off, he still somehow freaking managed to find me. But anyway, yeah. So we found 2 clues out of the 8 that we needed to find. So okay, that makes creature wins. Okay, well then. Player progress. Clues plus 200. Batteries picked 125. Creature stuns plus 25. Okay, so we get points for stunning the creature. So if we stun the creature, and then we get points for finding the batteries. Interesting. So, well. Oh, hey, we can also level up in the game. That's pretty legit. Well. Huh. Interesting. Let's see what else we have for extras in here. Gallery, credits. Alright, well then. Tutorials. Maybe we should have did that the first hand.
Probably.
You know what? I don't like doing tutorials because then it just makes the game no more fun. So, I like just jumping into a game and trying to figure it out on my own. Well, guys, that is for the first part of White Noise 2. I will post another video shortly of where to go next. So if you guys want, you can. I will let you guys know when I post the next video. So with that, we will call this a night. And as always, stay fiery, guys. Laters.